Miarabantsika eto amin'ny Mafilitra amin'izao fotoana zao fa miarabanareo izay ety amin'ny Mafilitra ny mpijery télévision MBS rehetrarehetra rehetriky ny Madagasikara sy ny ivelany. Ny Mafilitra amin'ny Facebook sy ny YouTube dia mandeha an'izao tontolo zao mahita azy zao ny olona rehetra. Manana gusto anankiray izay sy voary dia vehivavy tsara tarehy anankiray avy any Burundi no vahiny androany. Miteny franco-anglo izy zany hoe français anglais dia navelantsika ivoary no ianimana anazy eo chef Marisa akare pokely ivoary no miaraka amin'ny Roli. Ok, setkeltsika dia miaraka amin'ny Roli sy voary nareo.
Fandala Mafilitra eto amin'ny MBS.
Isan'andro amin'ny norafaka maray.
Azadiny ny best-of isan-kalahady amin'ilay ora tolakandro
miaraka amin'ny
Chef Marius. Hello everybody, so you are here in the program MAFILOTRA. Today we have a guest. Hello.
Hello. My name is Mutima and I am from Burundi, and today we are going to do a meal called special potato. Yeah.
A meal called special potato.
Yes.
Okay, so
here as you see, we're gonna use potato, beans, tomato, onion, salt and garlic. Yeah, and we're gonna mix them to have something good.
Yes. Let's make it then.
Okay. First of all, we're gonna start with peeling the potato.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna help with that.
Thank you.
I'm gonna use knife. So, where are you from? Sorry.
I'm from Burundi. It's in Africa, in East Africa. Yes.
And how long have you been here? Like?
It has been 1 week.
Oh, 1 week.
Yes. I already know some Malagasy language like Manaona.
And
yes.
what else? Or just
Misautra.
Yes.
Yes, I know some words.
I'm from Italy, that's why I know how to do it.
Oh.
Okay. So, how often do we wash the potatoes, or just one time?
One time, it's fine. And now we're gonna, thank you.
Yes.
And now we can cut them into, yes, into some pieces. Yes.
Okay. So we cut the potatoes like that.
Yes.
I don't like that.
In small pieces, yes.
In small pieces. Sorry, I can't help you because I don't have.
Okay, maybe you can help me. And I'm going to continue with the beans.
Okay.
Okay. Here we have some beans, and with the beans we're gonna put some oil and some tomato and some onion. Okay.
Tomatoes, onion, and oil.
Yes.
So that's for the beans.
Yes.
It's very interesting. Like I've never seen that before. So we don't have to need to boil the beans like we just eat. The beans gonna stay just like that?
Yes, the beans actually I have been boiled them for 4 hours at home, But if you start all the recipe, you're gonna boil them for 4 hours, as I said.
Okay.
And after that 4 hours, that's the moment you're gonna put this.
How can I help you with that?
With the garlic, I'm going to use 2 only. I don't need a lot
Okay,
of
just
them.
2.
Yes.
Okay. It's not real difficult, like we just need potatoes,
Yes.
beans, tomatoes, and then onions.
Yes. You see, here in Madagascar, what I have been seeing, like people like rice, and in Burundi, the way you see rice here is the way we see potato in Burundi. Like
Really?
this
Like-
is the main food. Everywhere you go, there is potato.
Oh my God. Yeah, but I like
Yes.
potatoes too.
Ah, okay.
We can do French,
Freeze.
yes,
Oh yes.
I really like it.
Okay, now we are going to put some oil. This one.
Just a little bit or so.
No, we use a little bit for putting the oil, the onion and tomato and the garlic. Yeah.
I'm gonna put them away.
Yes, it's fine.
Just a little bit oil,
Yes.
little bit for tomatoes and the onions. Okay,
That's that. It's not really difficult.
I'm gonna make it at home.
Yes, and you can tell me if it's fine.
Yes. And then we put after the onions,
After the onions, we put the garlic.
garlic.
Yes.
Onions, then garlic, then okay. So here we are just we put oil, onions, and garlic. It's not really difficult, like not really difficult. So after garlic, we put the tomatoes. And then what are we going to do with potatoes and the beans? We still need salt, right?
Yes. After I'm going to put the beans and after the salt, and we're gonna wait for it to be ready. And at that moment, that's when we are going to put the potato.
Okay.
So now we put the beans. I think this is too much.
I really like it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it at home.
Thank you.
You're welcome. How long we're gonna put the beans here? Like 5
Not too
minutes
long.
or just?
Yes, it's for 5 minutes, you're right. Yes, you're gonna put some salt because when we boil the beans, we haven't put salt, so that's the moment we put salt.
Just a little bit salt, right?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay. After the beans, we put salt. It's a menu from
Burundi.
Burundi. Sorry, I can't remember. Burundi.
Yes. Burundi in East Africa.
I want to like,
visit.
Yeah, I want to visit.
Oh, welcome.
Like, really bad.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I've never go out from Madagascar. Like I've always stay here from
But you have
since I was
Madagascar
kid.
is really big also.
Yeah.
Okay, gonna wait for 2 minutes or 3, and we're gonna use this one, and I think we need something big.
Something big,
Yes.
like bigger than this, or
Yes, because I have to put the potato with some water.
Fandala mafitre amin'ny MPS,
Isan'andro amin'ny norafaka amin'ny maraina,
azadiny ny paizitanche, isan-kalahady amin'ilay ora tolakandro.
miaraka amin'ny
Chef Marius!
Je pense que maintenant on va voir notre petit mélange.
wait, yes. How is it? Good.
Yes, it's fine.
So we don't need to put other oil. Just
No, you
Okay,
put the
so-
first we use.
just the first use, and
Yes.
that's all. That's
Yes,
all.
that's all. Okay, I think this is ready. So we're going to put it
So now we are going to boil the potatoes.
Yes, now we're gonna put some water.
We're gonna put some water for the potatoes, and we don't put salt, right? Or we're gonna put salt?
We're gonna also put salt.
With soft
Yes,
salt.
soft salt.
And then we're gonna put the salt. I'm gonna put it here.
Yes, thank you.
We don't need the beans anymore.
No, we don't need the beans anymore.
Okay. Just a little bit salt.
Yes,
Not really salt.
much.
Not much.
Okay.
A little bit. We're gonna
Let's taste for the salt. Yes, okay, it's fine. Now we're gonna wait for them to boil and to be ready to be eaten. And after that, we're gonna mix the two, and the plates will be ready.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Fandala mafitre eto amin'ny MPS,
Isan'andro amin'ny norafaka amin'ny maraina,
azadiny ny paizitanche, isan-kalahady amin'ilay ora tolakandro.
miaraka amin'ny
Chef Marius!
Nous travaillons dans l'association des guides du Madagascar. C'est là où nous travaillons.
vous êtes beaucoup.
Oui, bon, on est venu à 5, mais on va
1, 2, 3.
rencontrer
Oh,
ici. Oui, elles sont avec moi. Oui, je leur passe un petit coucou. Et puis, mais ici à Madagascar, nous rejoignons les autres guides qui se trouvent ici. Et puis, nous travaillons ensemble durant les 6 mois. Oui.
6 mois. Alors, il vous reste 5 mois. 5 mois et 3 semaines.
Non, on est arrivé la semaine dernière. Ça veut dire qu'on a jusqu'en juillet, fin juillet. Donc ça va, on a
Vous
encore
faites que
du temps.
commencer.
Oui, on fait que commencer. Oui, et j'ai été étonnée à Madagascar qu'il y avait de la pluie.
Bien sûr.
Je croyais que c'était le soleil tous les jours.
Non.
Que c'est-
Surtout,
il pleut, de la petite pluie comme ça, mais quand il pleut chez nous, c'est genre il y a vraiment une très grosse pluie avec du vent et tout. La pluie elle vient et puis ça se termine. Mais ici c'est brièvement, oui, c'est genre 30 minutes ou 1 heure, 2 heures maximum.
2 heures maximum.
C'est tout pour la journée et puis la journée peut
Ici c'est genre toute la journée,
oui.
Le soir et demain tu t'as encore des pluies.
Oui, j'ai vu ici, il faut toujours aller avec son parapluie, il ne faut jamais oublier le parapluie.
Même si le soleil brille, après ça va pleuvoir.
Ah, oui.
So the potato is ready, right?
Yes.
And we're gonna mix it.
Yes, okay. Right now the potato is ready. And we're gonna put you remember the beans we have been cooking?
Beans with tomatoes and onion and garlic.
Yes.
And a little bit salt.
Yes.
We put
That's
beans in potatoes.
Yes.
Yummy, yummy. What's gonna be? It's hot.
Sorry.
The final result.
Now we put back the potato with the beans and we wait like 5 minutes and it will be ready.
Just 5 minutes?
Yes.
No more?
No more. 5 minutes so
We
that
don't need to put salt anymore?
No, it's fine because we put salt in the potato and in the beans. Now we mix it together and it will be fine. Yeah.
We are gonna wait for 5 minutes. So I think it's ready.
Yes, the 5 minutes is ended. Yes. Now we're gonna put yes.
Here.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a plate from her country. What's
Burundi.
Burundi? Sorry, I'm really bad.
It's fine. I think tomorrow we'll be thinking about Burundi only. Okay, and we put some.
I'm going to make it at home.
Yes.
It's not really difficult and
Yes, and it doesn't take too long. Something
like just the beans. It's like for hour,
yes, you prepare the beans
but tomatoes
before.
is just for 30 minutes.
Yes,
So
it's fine.
okay, so this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you, Rania.
Welcome.
I hope you're gonna come back here with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thank you also, you have been amazing. I like doing this show with you. Thank you, Francia.
You're welcome. Dia toy izay sy toy izay ny fandaharantsika ho any an'io ino mpifankafizina ao an-trany aza misaraka amin'ny MBS an-trany. Sotra to, veloma.